It's day 9, I think, of the roof project, and as you can see, there's been some progress. So yesterday I started roofing the little cheek roofs here. I also roofed my little bump out roof there. We also got the rubber on. Rubber. I'd go up there, but it's icy. There you go. So today we're going to continue roofing.
All the cheek roofs are done, all the way up. All the trim's on, the rubber roof's on. We got vinyl soffit done. Cheek roofs. Soffit's done up here. Get some aluminum wrap done up here.
So I just put all the ridge cap on and vented, and you can see we had to redo a bunch of this flashing here. This stuff was all cut. They just cut it, so we had to lace lead underneath. But this is all new, and this is all done. We'll be wrapping this with aluminum today. The roof's all done. Caulked everything. Put a clamp on my vent pipe. Pretty good.
Working on the aluminum wrap and soffit. Aluminum wrap. Actually, this is the last piece I did here on the pork chop. And then that'll be soffit going up. And then there's the upper detail.